Alright guys, another good day out here on the lake. Let's head on out. Let me show you what I did. How I got these two fish to the boat. That right there is a 376, guys. Alright, let's get to it.
For the last couple weeks here.
Oh goodness, guys. This is spotlight. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. There we go, guys. There we go. There we go. All right. Go ahead and get this big boy off of this. Okay. All right, there we go. But that is a nice fish right there. As you saw, it was a good fight. Fish caught me with 2 jabs, took me down to the ground, but I was able to get back up and get into the boat. All right, guys, let's go ahead and catch 1 or 2 more. Let's see, let's see. Woo. Oh, this is a nice one. Feel that head shaking. Ah. And another one. Look at that right there. And another one. And another one. Got to get a weight on this. I know you guys saw me the other day. I was out here, hit my PB 4.45. This one, I don't think it's gonna quite get it, but hey, look at the stomach on that thing. Turn the camera. Yeah, look at the stomach on this thing right here. A nice, fat, healthy fish, guys. Let's go ahead and get a weight on this one real quick. All right, there we go. That one right there locked in at 376. All right, guys, nice and healthy. Let me go ahead and get back down there, have a little bit more fun before I head in for the day. Make sure you guys hit the like button, guys. I'm out here trying to put in a little work, show you guys a little graphing, how you can get better on the water, how I can get better on the water. Hopefully we can keep working together. Just want to say thanks to everybody for supporting the channel, guys. All right, another one. Having a little bit of fun at the end of the day. Just wanted to stick a few of them while I was out here. Check on the size. See if I can get another one before I head in.